Origin O-85 dehumidifier with an extraction capacity of 85 liters per day, suitable for an area up to 9,000 cubic feet, 700 cubic meters per hour high airflow, and it consumes 990 watts electricity. Let's see how it works. You can press the power key to switch it on. You can press the up and down keys to set the required level of RH percentage at which you want the dehumidifier to function, which you can see on the screen. When you press the timer key once, this is the duration for which the dehumidifier has been on for one particular cycle ever since you connected it to the power, which in this case is less than 1 minute, as you can see it on the screen. And when you press the timer key for the second time, this is the duration for which the dehumidifier has stayed on across multiple cycles ever since it has been connected to the power. For example, I could have used the dehumidifier for 2 cycles of 2.5 minutes each, thus 5 minutes in total. You can press the purge key to empty the water from the pump reservoir, especially before moving the machine around to avoid any spillage. It comes with a duct for focused drying for particularly wet areas. You can attach an air hose to this duct in order to dry those wet areas quickly and efficiently. The filter can be found in the front part of the dehumidifier. You can simply remove the filter like this in case you need to clean or replace it, and once you are done, you can simply reinsert the filter back to its position like this. The drainage nozzle can be found at the back of the dehumidifier. You can attach the drainage pipe like this. It can dispense water up to 15 feet. And you can also simply remove the drainage pipe like this. The dehumidifier also comes with a set of wheels. You can simply tilt the machine and move it around easily. We hope this video was helpful. Please rewatch the video if you could not understand something, and please reach out to us for any questions or queries. Thank you.